Alright, it is May 31st and I am... Ooh. Hello, friend. Anyways, May 31st, haven't done a garden update for this month. Been pretty busy, so thought I'd do one on the last day of the month. Strawberries are looking pretty killer. Getting some red ones starting to pop out now. Some almost fully ripe ones coming along. Gonna have to hide these before the stellar jays see them, or they'll eat them all. So I still haven't done anything with the ends of these beds. My cucumbers were not wanting to cooperate with me this year. They've been a real pain. I've been a pain to them, I guess. So I started another round. Hopefully they do well. One's in here. Looks like some got murdered. That one's actually doing pretty good. That's the only one. So, not my finest year with cucumbers. I've never had problems with cucumbers until this year. More strawberries. I guess I planted cabbage here. I didn't know what it was until, I guess now. So got some cabbage, poppy, yarrow. This bed's got some mixed results going on right now. Ooh, broccoli. The radish are doing pretty good. Thinned them out, so they should be able to put on some nice bulbs, whatever you want to call them. Got some beets. The carrots, though, something was eating the carrots. I saw them pop up and then they just disappeared, so something's been eating those. This is the backyard garlic. It's doing pretty good. Not as good as my front yard, but still looking pretty good nonetheless. We got tomatoes in this bed. If you've watched my previous videos, I think I brought it up where my tomatoes, I had some overwatering issues and they were not doing so hot, so I transplanted them into a really small cell, and then they've since been able to take off, but they are tiny. Got a couple bigger ones from some friends. More broccoli. Tried growing this, I think it's Calibos cabbage. I might be butchering the name. The last couple of years, I've just never had luck with cabbage, and it looks like this year I'm actually doing pretty good, so that's cool. We got a sweet pepper bed. Man, this just looks like I'm a terrible gardener. Definitely not an expert. And this is all the sweet peppers, or some of them. They are just looking awful, but our weather's been awful, so now that it's been turning around, hopefully they do a little bit better. This one's gonna be sweet peppers, and I've already got some cayennes for cayenne kombucha, ginger cayenne. I was just overwintered. What is it called? Why am I drawing a blank? Oh my goodness. Arugula. See, I know my plants. And we also got sorrel, which is kicking butt. Just transplanted the 30 gallons, some 5s and the 15s just about a week or so ago. Weather was not looking pretty optimal yet, so you can see I got some hail damage from when it came down pretty hard. But got a good selection of plants going out here. They're looking all right. They're not dead. Some of them are not very happy though. Like this one's pissed. It'll be fine. We got sun coming for the next week. Got nymphodoras. Don't look at that one, it's dead. More nymphodoras. More plants. Got our pumpkins going. 4 pie pumpkins. And then the 2 watermelon decided to just die on me. I don't know what happened. So luckily I've got a couple more of those guys. Just did this little area not too long ago. Got a couple berries in the ground. Got some wine berries and some raspberries. And we got a bunch of things here. No, blackberries and wine berries, not raspberries. Gonna eventually put these berries right where this structure is that I was using to harden off plants. And then go to the old front yard. Garlic out here is kicking butt, especially this guy. I am stoked about this one. It's a hard neck that slipped in with the soft neck, but it's definitely bigger than all the other hard neck I got going on over here. Kind of hard to see with the way the lighting is right now, but they've been kicking butt. I have not grown garlic this big before, so pretty stoked on this one. Got some yarrow, echinacea. Why am I drawing a blank on it? Chamomile, tulsi. I have no idea what this thing is. Got some herbs. Got some onions here. I think this is chicory. It's in the dandelion family. Grow it for the root, make dandelion root coffee with it. Transplanted the blueberries last fall or winter. This one's doing all right. This one's doing pretty good. This one's pissed. Got some berries though. Pretty stoked about that. I actually have not even seen these until right now. I'd only seen flowers up until now. So that's cool. Grape plant is taken off. We just got this arbor for it. Pretty amped. The plant had just been growing on the bench up until this point, and it is stoked. Just brought this guy out from the backyard. Birds weren't using it a whole lot in the backyard, so hopefully they use it up here. Oh yeah, we got some greens, onions. It was supposed to be onions, but it has now turned into volunteer cilantro. This will become greens as the next wave starts, is ready. We got some basil, some of them not looking so hot. All of ours did not do very good, so I'm having to go buy some starts from the store. Got a ton of calendula in this bed. Got some yellow, some orange. Got a couple random stevia plants. There should be a wall of sunflowers, but for whatever reason, something keeps eating them, or they're not popping up, or what, I don't know. So I've started some more inside. These pepper beds were murdered. This bed has survived the best. The ahi lemon drops, those guys are champs. This bed is a mix of jalapenos and pepperoncinis, and it got pretty destroyed. Some new growth popping in, transplanted some new plants. Overall, it's not doing too bad now. This bed, the reapers, they got murdered worst of all. It's all the cause of pill bugs and slugs. Who would have ever thought pill bugs would eat $700 worth of starts? They do. Beware. So a lot of this bed is newly transplanted starts, which I'm kind of bummed about because it means I've lost quite a bit of time, but you know, lessons learned. Should still be a good year regardless now. We got some sun in the sights, so it should be pretty good. Transplanted some strawberries here. Eventually just gonna take runners and line this whole edge with them. And yeah, so that's the, what is it, May 31st update. Thanks for checking it out. Oh, wait. My favorite thing. Come on, how did I forget this? This is all Thai peppers, and it's a happy face this year. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you like the content, and we'll see you again.